Unplanned downtime has been addressed for SAP on cloud operations. The result? More uptime and greater business resilience in the face of unexpected outages. The question of planned downtime, on the other hand, has largely been left unanswered, leading to decreases in productivity and potential revenue loss for organizations when their SAP systems undergo scheduled maintenance. You know that planned downtime is necessary for routine maintenance activities such as system patching, scaling, refresh, and compliance build. You also know that bringing your SAP systems down for these maintenance activities comes with substantial costs. Here's what we know at Lemongrass. There's a better way to address planned downtime for SAP on cloud operations. Introducing MDO, an SAP Managed Services Orchestration solution engineered to eliminate planned downtime for routine SAP on cloud maintenance activities. With MDO, you can cut the downtime window of common maintenance tasks from hours to minutes, boosting productivity and cost savings. Here's how it works. Leveraging MDO's object model and automation artifacts, we build a new copy of an SAP instance with the required changes for maintenance. After the changes are thoroughly tested and validated, we seamlessly replace your old instance with the newly built instance at cutover. This approach significantly reduces downtime and eliminates the need to plan for it, as old instances can continue to run until replacements are made. Now, instead of putting off routine maintenance tasks or skipping them altogether to avoid planned downtime, you can execute them more frequently with MDO, knowing that your operations won't be disrupted. And the result? Greater system performance, increased productivity, higher customer satisfaction, and more revenue. Welcome to the new era of SAP operations in the cloud, powered by Lemongrass MDO. To learn more, visit lemongrasscloud.com.